Oh, fancy meeting you here, YouTube, during a YouTube live stream. And we just figured we would go live for a quick moment here to talk about how we ain't talking about things on YouTube. There have been issues, not only with the software, but with the general policies of certain organizations who will remain unnamed during this live stream. Cheers. Cheers if you work for one of those organizations. Are you enjoying the self-destruction of said organizations? Ah, yes. And so as to not interfere with any Faucian bargains, we've decided to suspend all science on the channel. So, is it backwards? Oh my God, it's backwards. It must be satanic, folks. It must be satanic. Leave us a comment if your shoes are satanic. I am able to see comments right on my own screen. Yes, I'm running a crack operation here. A crack operation. No, not an operation selling crack. I'm running a crack operation. You see, because in 2018, a crack YouTube unit was sent to social media prison for a crime it didn't commit. It was sent to a maximum security online stockade from which it promptly escaped into the internet underground, where it still survives as producers of fortune. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find our content, maybe you can hire the Smash team. No, seriously. You can hire the Smash team in a very real and very exclusive fashion. And when I say very real and very exclusive, I mean the videos are going to be late. The videos are going to be late all the time on YouTube from now on. So instead of early, instead of seeing the earliest forecasts that exist on certain things, expect to see the latest forecasts on certain things. Where is it, JDoc? Where is what, JDoc? I don't know what you're asking. So I'll just continue on. And let's see. I think our patrons have some clue what I'm talking about. If this seems vague, it's probably because you've only been viewing our videos on YouTube. So sorry, but congratulations in seeing this video, period, as this is indeed a YouTube live exclusive. Isn't it exciting? So, yeah, I just wanted to do a live stream, since you may or may not have been able to see the live premiere chat in our most recent daily space weather video, or you may not even know that our daily space weather videos exist. I wouldn't be surprised, frankly, if you didn't. But in any case, whether you do or not, congratulations on knowing that this video exists, and expect everything to get late. Very, very late. So, now remember, folks, there are alternatives. So, you may find places like smashomash.com, on which we host our own content, and places such as bitshoot.com/smashomash. There will be video shows and all kinds of other up-to-date information in certain places, but not others. And some folks, patrons, will get all the information that you've been getting the whole time. So that's basically what the announcement amounts to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions, concerns? etc., may be answered, may not be answered in places like YouTube comments. So if you'd like to reach us, you can find all of our contact information at smAshomash.com. Let's see. So short of that, I mean, we saw the writing on the wall years ago. When did we start smAshomash.com? 2019, I think. I think 2019 we created smAshomash.com, and smAshomash.org came a little bit after that. Currently, smAshomash.org will just redirect you to smAshomash.com because we are trying to use smAshomash.com to fund the formation of the nonprofit agency. So that's sort of what's going on, folks. Any other science stuff? I don't know what to tell you. Good luck. Good luck. Regarding the impending solar blast that was mentioned in the title of the daily space weather video, figure it out yourself. Figure it out yourself. I was just telling SMASH staff how it's not getting explained. Not anymore. Because we have more important things to work on now, including a paper that explains the solar sunspot cycles and solar polar field reversal cycles. And that and a lot of other things have caused us to create a delay on the daily space weather videos. So sorry if you've been watching them in a timely fashion. Thanks to patrons, you'll continue to see them in a timely fashion. Everybody on YouTube will not be able to find the most current video until it gets put into a public state. And, you know, we tried for years not to do this, but it's just the way things happen when you are in a void of credibility. So when it comes to things like views and subscriber counts on YouTube, I mean, look at the channels out there, folks. Look at the competing channels, and you go watch them. You go watch them, and you enjoy their content. I'm sure it will be extremely predictive. I'm sure they'll totally be able to forecast anything, and I'm sure that this isn't total sarcasm. Thanks for leaving comments. And the location of the underground is classified. So what I'm doing this weekend is classified also, folks. Basically everything is now classified. So look for a heap and helping of no help on the physics of how things work. And yeah, that's about it. So is there anything else regarding the channel? Everything else that goes on in the channel will remain the same. So videos that aren't the daily space weather videos, and videos that aren't really up-to-date cosmology segments that are up to date, like to the minute, sometimes to the second, those just will not be on YouTube unless you're a patron. If you're a patron, you'll still see the videos because we will share the links that would otherwise be unfindable, put it that way. So yeah, thanks again, patrons. Thanks, YouTube viewers. Please leave a comment if you've got any opinions about this. And we'll be seeing you soon in all kinds of content, such as this video. But just expect changes to the daily space weather video playlist coming, because despite it being the majority of our content, it's YouTube has had its role changed sort of without its input. So YouTube has now taken on a different role for smAshomash.com. It's still on the list of media organizations, but it will be essentially under a different department. So, so that's that, and yeah. So look for more content coming, but everything's going to be structured entirely differently now. And if you don't like the changes in content, you could always send YouTube an email about that, I guess. But at this point, it's just sort of a foregone conclusion that that's the way things have to be. See you soon. Thanks again for tuning in on YouTube. Again, there will be content coming, but it's all going to be changing around. And we'll see you next time here at Smash News Network. Least busted, name and news.